Hi, my name is Trevor Thomas. I'm one of the co-founders and partners at Ascent Employment Law. Today we're going to be talking about professional regulation. That simply means that we're looking at professions that are governed or regulated by a body. So for instance, doctors, lawyers, dentists, teachers. All these professions are regulated by a governing body. One of the main things with professional regulation is knowing where does it come from. Regulation comes from statute, which means that it's the law in this province. And the statute often describes what form of professional regulation is subject to discipline or how the process can be carried out when there's discipline issues. So the statute is sort of our go-to as a first step to understand how to deal with any issues that come up from a professional regulation standpoint. The second thing that we look at when dealing with any sort of professional regulation issue is what has the governing body done in prior situations that are similar to our clients. And in that situation, what we do is we go back and take a look at how the governing body might have dealt with this issue previously. Once we have an understanding of how the governing body works and what they look for into resolving an issue, we'll take that into consideration and apply it to our client's situation and try to find the best resolution for that particular scenario. One of the last things to think about as a professional and when dealing with professional regulatory issues is because we've worked so hard at developing your reputation and you don't want to jeopardize it, are there opportunities for resolving these issues through an informal process? And the reason why this is important is because when it's a formal process, what can happen is that decisions are written by the governing body and they're publicly available at the end of the day. And that can have some serious impact on your reputation as a professional. So we're very aware of that, we're alive to that issue, and one of our jobs is to make sure that we deal with the issue from a regulatory standpoint, but we also balance that with protecting your reputation, the reputation that you've worked so hard to build. At Ascent Employment Law, we practice workplace law, which includes employment, human rights, and labor law. I particularly enjoy working with professionals on regulatory issues. If you have any questions about your professional regulation, or if you're subject to or facing any sort of discipline from your governing body, please feel free to reach out.